You beautiful human out there, thanks for choosing this video to watch, and in next few minutes I'm going to introduce one of the best-selling courses for meditation in AR, which is watchable with your VR headset, and also describing and introducing how AI transformed everything. I think human will be replaced by AI in near future, so stay with me in this video. But before we go on, it's easier for me if I describe everything in Persian, so you are going to hear the voiceover of the translation in another voice, and I'm describing everything in my first language. Stay with me and let's go.
Alright, from this moment, I'm starting a screen recording. What I'm looking at here is the update page for news and applications, the recording screen, and my personal panel. The app that I want to introduce is the Trip app. If this is your first time seeing it, I can navigate everything with this controller, and it's also possible to use both hands. That's because using hand movements feels more natural. Before the app fully loads, let me tell you that this app costs $44 annually. From the moment the full image appears, you'll be able to view everything in 4K quality in 360 degrees. The Trip app is right in front of me, and it plays with incredible Dolby sound quality. From the very first moments, it's captivating. Now, in the Home section, we have the most important and newest update, titled Talk to Kaku AI Guide. Everything else we're seeing on screen is secondary. What's fascinating is this AI feature. To understand what this AI is and how it works, it's better to see it in action. You can pause the video and read the message that pops up. But let's move forward and see what's inside this section. It requests microphone access because you need to talk, and based on your conversation, your meditation is prepared. Of course, it takes a few seconds to connect to the internet.
Welcome to Trip. Hello. Let us know how you feel and what you need today.
Now, when this bubble appears, as you place your controller over it, your hand vibrates, giving you a very realistic feeling, as you can hear. But in my opinion, using just hand gestures without a controller makes the meditation environment feel even more natural and realistic. By clapping or holding your fingers together, you can activate the microphone recording.
I'm facing difficulties in my workspace, mostly with my colleagues. Let me know more.
Navigating challenges with colleagues can be tough, and it's important to acknowledge how you're feeling. Let's create a reflection to help you find calm and clarity in this situation. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, allowing yourself to be present in this space. Begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and then gently exhale, releasing any tension you might be holding. As you breathe, imagine each inhale bringing in calm and each exhale letting go of stress. Picture yourself in a serene environment, a place where you feel safe and at ease.
While the AI continues speaking, you feel as if you're in a mystical forest, gazing at the sky. It's truly an amazing experience. The tiny particles moving around make you feel as though you're inside a magical forest.
Understanding that everyone carries their own burdens and challenges.
Everything is displayed with remarkable quality. This is the Meta Oculus Quest 2, and while the sound and visuals are impressive, the quality of the Oculus 3 is even higher. Keep in mind, I wear glasses because of weak eyesight, so I have to remove them when putting on the headset. Now, over there, the sky is getting brighter, showing you a dynamic environment.
Remember that you have the strength to navigate these difficulties, and each day is an opportunity.
This meditation continues until you decide to stop it. You can also ask it to discuss a new topic by reactivating the microphone and asking another question. This can go on endlessly because the AI behind this part of the platform powers it, as mentioned below. Let's return to the home menu and explore other interesting sections of this app. I think the focus and relaxation sections are fascinating. But for anyone struggling with sleep, putting on the headset and going to the sleep section could be highly appealing. On this side of the screen, you can see the days you've completed exercises and the minutes you've spent using this app. Let's enter the calm section and see what it's like.
Welcome to Trip.
The app's programming gives you time to gaze out of the window. There's no rush to start. The tall walls you see and the high-quality image projected through the window add a dreamlike touch to your meditation experience. Here's an important point.
Everything in life has energy. The physical world is made up of particles and energy. An abundant mindset is aware of how to harness energy and awareness so that you are capable of seeing opportunities more easily. Being present allows you to deeply understand that what you put your attention on is what you create. Because of this, worrying at times is almost as if we are praying for what we don't want. Instead, we can focus on putting our attention on creating a life journey for ourselves filled with success and even wealth. Because wealth can lead you to a path of real contribution and impact.
If your profession involves meditation, yoga, or similar activities, having an app like this, where you can simply put on your headset whenever you like and immerse yourself in a meditation environment, is a game changer. So, AI is gradually replacing your job and business. Now, this section is designed for VR video lessons, featuring instructors who have previously held meditation classes. These lessons are now available in 360-degree format, allowing you to relive the experience of being in those classes, perhaps for the last time.
Meditation misconceptions by Jack Cornerfield. مثلا
For instance, in this class, we participate, and you can record this exact scene in VR and 360-degree format, preserving the moment. The space in front of me is exactly where the camera was placed in front of the instructor.
One is somehow that it's a quieting in which you remove yourself from the world so that you become uncaring in some way. All right, I know how to quiet myself, and who cares what happens to other people? Or that it's a kind of self-absorbed navel gazing, So that first kind of misconception is
The people you see here are those who were either recording this video at the time or, let's say, were part of the scene. Let's move to another section, which could be a group class similar to this one. Looking around in this video gives you the feeling of being physically present in the group. It feels as if others are sitting beside you, and by looking around, you experience a genuine sense of being part of the gathering. This makes the experience feel much more real and natural.
let yourself sit and allow your body to be at ease and alert. Begin the practice of mindfulness or loving awareness with a kind attention to your body. Let your eyes be open and your face be soft. Loosen your jaw. Maybe roll your head in a circle to release your neck and let it find a simple upright. Relax your shoulders and let your belly be soft and your breath natural. And let your heart be soft as well to receive whatever arises with kindness, compassion. Now with this embodied presence, eyes open gently, begin to notice the natural breath of your body and feel it as coolness in the nostrils, swirling, tingling in the back of the throat, or the rise and fall of chest or belly. And if it's at all difficult to sense the breath, put one hand on your belly and feel it rise and fall in the palm of your hand. With each breath, feel your body breathing into breathing with the pines and the oak trees and the wind.
This is precisely what you can capture with a 360-degree camera to recreate the experience. This is the future. Goodbye.